In this short video, I will tell you that how you can easily loop a video in YouTube in 2024. That's quite simple, interesting and easy, but before starting the video, make sure that you watch the video till end so you don't make any mistake, and make sure to like the video and hit that subscribe button. Thank you. So let's get started. So first of all, you will have to open the YouTube application, and once you're on this page, you will have to play any random video. For example, I will play a random video. Now once you open the video, all you'll have to do is to tap on the gear icon in the top right of the video, and then tap on additional settings, and then turn on the loop video. Now it says video loop is on, and whenever the video will end, it will not autoplay the other video, it will replay this video. So now you can see the video is looped. So if you found the video helpful, make sure to like the video and hit that subscribe button, and if you have any questions